This is about running brick veneer or stone or some other material down over your foundation and keeping it in alignment with the wall above. Chief doesn't Chief doesn't do this automatically, so you've got to make some changes in the walls. So we'll look at this top wall. I've called it brick 6, brick foundation below. And if you look at the definition, I've removed the brick ledge because you don't need it. And I've added a 4-inch foundation offset, and we'll see where that comes from in just a minute. But that's really the key, having this offset here. And if I look at this foundation wall, let me go. Let's look at this one. And this is just 8-inch concrete with a brick face, so I gave this brick a 4-inch thickness, and that's where that foundation offset comes from. And this lets you do auto rebuild on the foundation, keep that going. And that will make everything in alignment. And of course you can change where the footing is. Here I made the footing align with the main layer, center on the main layer, so it brought it in. This is the default footing over here. And then you could also do pony walls. Sometimes you might have a wall, you might not have the brick going all the way down, you might have extend the concrete up to form a shelf where the brick goes. So this is just a pony wall. So the bottom is a 12-inch. The bottom's just a 12-inch concrete wall, and the top is got the brick face on it. And of course I aligned those on the inner surface. That's something you have to change. And then you noticed right here how this is kind of an anomaly. Chief's not real good about connecting where you have a pony wall with just a regular wall. So what you can do, I've done that over on this other end. What you can do is you can make this wall pony wall with the same material top and bottom, and make the height 17 1/4, the same as this, 17 1/4. And then Chief will clean up that connection right there.